Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a easy math olympiad question. We are solve this question without calculator. Our question is 8 to the power 5 plus 8 to the power 4 plus 8 to the power 3 plus 8 to the power 2 plus 8 to the power 1 plus 8 to the power 0 is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths olympiad question. Solution. Our question here 8 to the power 5. So I can easily here 8 to the power 5, it will be 4 plus 1. You know that 4 plus 1 it will be 5. Then here 8 to the power 4 plus and 8 to the power these 3. So I can easily it will be 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 it will be 3 plus and here 8 to the power 2 plus and here 8 to the power 1 it will be 8. And we know that 8 to the power 0 it will be 1. We know that a to the power 0 it will be 1. According to exponential law, a to the power 0 it will be 1. Now at this moment you can see that this expression it will be a to the power 4 times a to the power 1. How? We know that the exponential law a to the power n plus m it will be a to the power n times a to the power m. According to this law, I can see this expression. It will be 8 to the power 4 times 8 to the power 1 plus it will be 8 to the power 4 plus it will be 8 to the power 2 times 8 to the power 1 plus and here 8 to the power 2 plus 8 plus 1 it will be 9. Now at this moment here you can easily 8 to the power 4 is common, both are same. So I take 8 to the power 4 is common, so this divide this it will be 8. 8 to the power 1 it will be 8 plus and this divide this it will be 1 plus and in this expression you can see here 8 to the power 2 is common. So if I take here 8 to the power 2 then this divide this it will be 8 plus this divide this it will be 1 and here is positive 9. Now at this moment you can see here 8 to the power 4 times 9, 8 plus 1 it will be 9. Here 8 to the power 2 times 9, 1 plus 8 it will be 9 and here is 9. Now at this moment you can see here 9, this is 9, this is 9, so 9 is common. So if I take here is 9 is common, so this divide this it will be 8 to the power 4 and here this divide this it will be 8 to the power 2 plus this divide this it will be 1. Now at this moment you can see here 9 times and this 8 to the power 4 it will be 8 to the power 2 plus 2 plus 8 to the power 2 this 2 plus 1. Now at this moment I can see here 9 to the power, then you can see this expression it will be 8 to the power 2 times 8 to the power 2 plus 8 to the power 2 plus 1. Then here 9 and you can see here 8 to the power 2 is common. Because of that here is 8 to the power 2, this is 8 to the power 2, so it will be 8 to the power 2 is common. So this divide this it will be 8 to the power 2 plus this divide this it will be 1. Here is plus 1. Now at this moment you can see here 9 times and you can see it will be 64. 8 to the power 2 it will be 64. So I take here is 64. Then over that 8 to the power 2 it will be 64. 64 plus 1 it will be 65. And here is plus 1. Now at this moment you can see here 9 times and 64, you know that it will be 60 plus 4. You can say that it's 65 times 64, then you can say that it will be 60 plus 4, it will be 60 plus 5 and here is plus 1. Then at this moment you can see here 9 times this time this it will be 60 times 60 plus this 60 times 5, it will be 60 times 5, plus this 4 times 60, it will be 4 times 60, plus 4 times 5, it will be 20, plus 1. Now you can see here 9 times, it will be 36, and here is 20. 6 times 6, it will be 36, and here 60 times 5, it will be 300. 5 times 0, it will be 0. 5 times 6, it will be 30, plus 4 times 0, it will be 0. 4 times 6, it will be 24, and here is 20 plus 1. Then here 9 times, if I add this value, we'll find out it will be 4 1 6 0. If I add 20, we'll find out this plus this plus this plus this, it will be 4 1 6 0. Then if I add this 1, it will be 6 1. So we'll find out it will be 9 times 4161. Now this time this is equal to what? So at this moment you can see here 9, it will be 10 minus 1. I solve this question step by step. Then here is 4161. Then this time this, I take 1 0, this 0, and minus this time this, it will be this. Then this minus this, it will be 37449. This is our final answer in this Maths Olympiad question. We have solved this question without calculator. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this Maths Olympiad question, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.